Now I wanna show you how I will approach the problem of integration of U substitution. Um, First, I'll write out my examples. So this is the type of question involving U substitution, and now I want to show you a way to solve it without using the way I would do it without using U substitution, which is to sort of try to approach the whole antiderivative step backwards. Okay, first of all, I would rewrite the whole thing, so it becomes okay. This step is really important because it shows you the power of the whole thing here. It's really important because the key to working to work backward is that you need to compensate for the coefficient here. And if you mess up the whole power here, it's not gonna give you the correct answer. And then the second step, notice that the outer part should be the derivative of the inner part. But now the inner part, x squared plus 5. You take this if we take this derivative of the inner part, it should give us 2x because the 5 just goes to 0. It's a constant. And notice that the coefficient of these two are different. One is 6 and one is 2. So now we want to make up for it. So simply do the math of what times, like what 2x multiplied by is going to give you 6x. So this is like sort of thinking backwards. And then we do the math of this 6x over 2x. It's going to give you 3. So now we know that 3 is going to be put in front of the whole thing. And then the second step, take a look at the exponent here. It's 1/2, and but there's nothing in front of the whole equation that gives you the sense of the existence of 1/2, because 6x is only like standing by itself. So so now do the math of 1/2 plus 1, because you're doing the antiderivative, which means that you should add 1 to its power, and it will give you 3/2. Now notice here it doesn't have a 3/2 or something like that, so we gotta compensate for it. And thinking backwards, this is like times 1, and what times 3/2 is gonna give you 1? It's the question that you should ask yourself while approaching this problem, and do the simple math like we did a couple seconds ago. So 1, and this is gonna give you 2/3, right? So you put this, you put this in front of everything. And don't forget that you need to add a constant c right here. And now, finally, you need to check your answer. And the way of checking the answer is simply just to retake the derivative of the answer that you just come up with and see if it matches the original function that it gives you. So 3 times 3 is just going to give you 2, and then this times this is going to give you 3, and then here minus 1 times minus 1, it's 1/2. Then you take the derivative of the inner part, which is going to give you 2x, right? And then you put it in front, so 3 times 2x. So this is exactly 6x. This is exactly the original function that's given.